Jawaharlal Nehru wrote the book The Discovery of India during his imprisonment at Ahmednagar Fort for participating in the Quit India movement 1942 to 1946. The book was written during Nehru's 4 years of confinement to solitude in prison and is his way of paying on homage to his beloved country and its rich culture. The book from ancient history Nehru wrote at length of Vedas, Upanishads and textbooks, and ancient time and ends during the British Raj. The book is a broad view of Indian history, culture and philosophy. The scene can also be seen in television series. The book is considered as one of the finest writing on Indian history. The television series Bharat Ek Khoj, which was released in 1988, was based on this book. The history of discovery of India begins from prehistory to the last years of British colonial rule. Some of the greatest heroes of India are mentioned, analyzing texts from the Vedas to the Upanishads and epics such as the Mahabharata and the Ramayana, and personalities like the Buddha and Mahatma Gandhi. Mr. Nehru brings to life an ancient culture and land that has been the base and headquarters of some of the world's greatest traditions of philosophy, science and art and almost all its major religions. The book provides a broad view of Indian history, philosophy, and culture as viewed from the eyes of an Indian fighting for the independence of his country. He wrote the book during his imprisonment in the discovery of India. In this book, The Discovery of India, Jawaharlal Nehru says that Indian